I drained the water, added in the seasoning packets, and now I'm adding in some cheese. A splash of milk. That was more than a splash, but I want a little bit soupy. And here are my creamy carbonara samyang noodles. I also have a hot dog that I air fried. I'm actually gonna use this fork because it's gonna be a lot easier to get the spinach. My favorite part is the juice. And there you have it. And I'm going to enjoy my carbonara with a... It didn't spill. But anyways, I'm going to enjoy my carbonara with a Coke. I'm sorry I dropped you. Mwah. And hello friends, here I have some samyang noodles with hot dogs. So I made a video on how I made this. This is the creamy carbonara noodles with spinach, cheese, and milk. Here I have a hot dog. So is anyone else currently watching a movie on TikTok? I'm currently watching The Help on TikTok, and it's free on YouTube, but I'm watching it on TikTok. I started watching on YouTube in my living room, and I was like, I don't know why, but it just hits different with it on TikTok. Now on to my favorite part, the juice. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye. All right, y'all. I'm at Burlington right now. Look what I found. Samyang carbonara at freaking Burlington. Oh my gosh, $5.99. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting this. I found it right here in like the aisle to check out. So I'm not too sure where you can find them at, but I found them. Hi, hello friends. So here I have the noodles that I showed y'all yesterday. Now I'm perfectly fine with having noodles for lunch, but my kids wanted some chicken nuggets and some tacos. So I went ahead and got me an order of tacos as well. And I want to dip the taco in this broth and see what it tastes like. Some lettuce fell in the bowl, so I'm about to take a bite. So I have never heard of spicy good sauce, so I'm gonna give it a try with this taco. See if it tastes good. Tastes like a spicy barbecue. But this, dipped in this, so good. Y'all, look what just came in. Samyang noodles, but it's like, it's soup. So I'm really excited to try it. All right, so I'm gonna taste it. And these noodles look so yummy. These noodles are definitely a lot different than the normal samyang fire noodles that I eat. Definitely tastes a lot different. Definitely not as spicy, in my opinion. Honey, you want to try it?
Yeah. I like that better.
You do?
Yep. To me, that's definitely spicy.
Really?
Yeah. But it's got great flavor. That is
Yeah.
better than the other one.
Yeah, it tastes great, but not as good as the other one. Hi, hello friends. Here I have this chicken ramen. I found this at Walmart and it cooks in the microwave for only 2 minutes. I'm super excited to try it. It smells delicious. Oh, super hot. Give me a second. All right, time for a bite. Wow. Wow, this ramen's really good. So I haven't even tried the broth yet, but just the taste from the noodles, I already know that this broth is gonna be freaking phenomenal. This ramen is actually like really good. All right, now I am down to the broth. That's really good. Oh yeah, I highly recommend this. Hi, hello friends. So I just got back from Walmart and I found all of this ramen and I'm gonna try it for y'all. I'm super duper excited because I have never tried any, well, I've tried Shin, I haven't tried Shin Black, but all of this ramen I have never tried before. Now, I have a bunch of samyang noodles in my pantry, but the thing is that those are all flavors that I've already tried before. I've already done 3 samyang noodle series, and I just feel as if it's just really repetitive. So I'm gonna try a bunch of noodles that I have not tried yet, and I'm super duper excited. So just let me know which ones y'all want me to try first. So here I have Shin, the original, and then I have the Shin Black. I have this tonkatsu ramen. It's spicy. This is just chicken ramen. This is also just chicken ramen. This is spicy chicken. This is beef pho, sweet chili, Thai peanut, and spicy kung pao noodle bowl. So let me know which one y'all want me to try and I will try it. Well, I mean, I'm gonna try all of them, but let me know which one y'all want me to try first.